Listen, our first guest up tonight is his first time on cable TV. Let's give him a late night welcome for strong man Eric J. Moss.
Superman ain't the only one that can bend steel.
I'm Mr. Jameson. We had Eric Moss today at our school to demonstrate strength, feats of strength, and the kids seemed to really love it. We had a great time, very inspiring.
And these guys are doing unbelievable things. And I'm like, these guys know something that the rest of us don't know. And what I discovered from them is that strength isn't about what's here, it's about what's up here
It's on your mind.
and in here.
Well, your mind controls pretty much everything.
Right.
And to not just focus on it, but to believe that I could do it. Not just believe that it was possible, but believe that it was possible for me.
We each have this thing inside our brains that tells us that we're not strong enough. Sometimes it tells us that we're not smart enough. Sometimes it tells us that we're not good people.
Never, ever, ever give up. That's the secret of the steel-bending superhumans.
Because everybody goes through hard times. Everybody, good people, bad people. Sometimes people say mean things, don't they? Yeah, they do. But just because someone says something mean, it doesn't mean that it's true. You know what we should do? We should take a picture.
Students loved it, our teachers and staff loved it.
Just want to thank you. Our kids loved the presentation. Your background story was great.
This was a horseshoe.
Kids had a great time, and everybody was very impressed. Kids were talking about it for weeks to come. Yes, Justin?
And your presentation on attention deficit disorder was super exciting.
Yes, we appreciate it. And all the kids keep telling me every time they touch it, I've moved it back a little. So we just want to say thank you. It was great, and we look forward to having you again next summer.